Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you what you can do in order to make your Android phone last longer. This is not only Android phone, any Android device you have can benefit from this process. If your battery dies very quickly, or maybe your Android device is very slow, just applying this very little step is going to go a long way. Let's do it. What you need to do is to go on your Android device, click on settings, look for battery and device care, and click on it. Now, you can see how much space you have on your device. Just go on and click where it says optimize now. As you can see, optimize now to free up more memory. So once you click this, you wait for it to run. When it completes, just go on and restart your device and you will find some improvement. I hope this has been helpful. Please, may I ask you to subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you.